Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Beak and Feet Adaptation in Birds. The shape and the size of the bird's feet and beak are usually adapted to its method of feeding and locomotion. The shape, if you look at the shape of this beak, it is adapted to a particular type of feeding. And if you look also at the feet here, they show you that this kind of feet is adapted to a particular type of feeding and locomotion. Long, narrow beak probes into mud and sand on the shore in estuaries to reach burrowing worms and mollusks. This type of mouth is long and it is narrow. This one helps the bird, enables the bird to probe into the mud, and then it can reach those worms which are burrowing underneath the estuaries or the mud. Characteristic to most wanders or sandpipers and red sharks. These are some of the birds that have got long and narrow beaks. Powerful, sharp, hooked beak. This one tears fresh from small birds and mammals. The beak, if you look at it, it is powerful, it is sharp, and it is hooked. So all those characteristics, they are for tearing fresh from small birds and small mammals. This type of beak is characteristic to most birds of prey, including hawks, falcons, eagles, and owls. They are the ones that have got this type of mouth, which is powerful, sharp, hooked, and it is used for tearing fresh from other birds and mammals. Hook, like upper mandible, assist in climbing. So we have here our mandibles. If you look at it, it is hooked. The upper one is hooking. So that one is mainly used in climbing, like this one that we have in the parrot. They use them for climbing. Sturdy, short beaks enables seeds to be gripped and cracked open. So you can look that there is a short one here, a short beak. This one is enabling in the gripping of seeds and also cracking them open. hind toe, they are very small. The hind toe are very small. This is the hind toe. When you look at it and you compare it with the fore toes, you can see that the hind toe is very small. Web between the 3 front toes provide an expanded surface for swimming and walking on soft surfaces. If you look at these toes, they are webbed, and this one is mainly to walk on soft surface, and also it is used for swimming when the bird is in water. These webs will provide resistance to water so that the bird can easily move in water. Characteristic of other gulls, seabirds, ducks, and geese. Those are some of the birds that have got webbed toes. Three toes directed forward and one back, but they can be bent to meet. So when you look at these ones, these toes are bending forward and the other toe is bending backwards, but they can be brought together and they meet each other. They can be brought forward and they meet each other. They are powerful with sharp curved talons for catching, holding, and killing the prey. When you look at their toe, they have curved talons and very sharp. That carving is for holding or catching, at the same time killing the prey. They are characteristic to many predatory birds, such as the falcons and the hawks. So it is these birds, the hawks, the falcons, the owl, that you are going to find with those powerful, sharp curved talons. Thank you very much for participating in Beak and Feet adaptation in birds. Please do like, share, and subscribe.